Mexican woman dragged from police car and lynched amid accusations of assisting in child killing. In a shocking incident, in the picturesque Mexican tourist town of Taxco, a mob descended upon the suspected child kidnapper and murderer, dragging her out of the police custody before brutally beating her to death in plain sight of law enforcement officers. The unmanned woman had been apprehended by police following allegations that she was involved in the disappearance and death of 8-year-old Camila Gomez Ortega, whose body was discovered after she had gone missing just days prior. The community's frustration reached a boiling point as surveillance footage emerged, purportedly showing the woman assisting a man in disposing of the young girl's body. Outraged villagers seized upon the opportunity to take justice into their own hands. Despite pleas from the victim's family to authorities to take action against the alleged perpetrators, the police had yet to intervene. As tensions mounted, the mob surrounded the suspect's residence, demanding justice. In a dramatic turn of events, the mob forced the suspects out of their home, prompting the police to step in and attempt to detain them. However, the enraged crowd overwhelmed law enforcement, pulling the woman from a police vehicle and subjecting her to fatal assault. The horrific incident unfolded amidst Holy Week celebrations, casting a dark shadow over a normally festive atmosphere of Taxco. I never thought that in a tourist place like Taxco, we would experience a lynching, lamented Felipa Lagunas, a local teacher. The violence underscores the pervasive influence of criminal organizations in the region, where lawlessness and impunity region. Guerrero, the state where Taxco is situated, has long been plagued by drug cartels and criminal syndicates vying for control. We make our living off tourism, but we cannot continue to allow them to do these things to us, remarked Andrea, reflecting on the impact of such violence on the town's livelihood. The tragic episode serves as a grim reminder of challenges faced by communities in regions where organized crime holds sway, highlighting the urgent need for effective governance and law enforcement. Thanks.